Today, we're gonna make grilled beef ribeye and fried eggs. Perfect for breakfast or brunch. What's not to like about steak and eggs? Oh my goodness. And what's even better about steak and eggs is we're gonna do it with the ribeyes. And in addition to that, I'm gonna put some of my chimichurri sauce. Check it out because I've got a video on how to make just this perfect chimichurri sauce, which is gonna be good for so many things like vegetables, fish, chicken, steak. Yes, I'm gonna do that. I'm Chef Don McMillan. Been cooking for 6 decades. Our chimichurri sauce recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you in my previous video and cooking with today was a favorite at Cafe McMillan's. That was our Latin-inspired restaurant downtown in Winston-Salem in the Stevens Center. We serve people from all over the world. They came to see wonderful theater and wonderful events there. Some of the top performers that you can think of. And that chimichurri sauce was a winner with everyone. We would make these things by the gallons. But that's another video, check it out. But we're gonna cook the steak, and now look, eggs. I'm gonna do it all on the grill, yes. Cook my eggs on the grill. I've got some green onions here, and also we're gonna cook it with butter. What's not better than butter? So before we go starting on the grill, I'm just gonna go ahead and season my steak a little bit. Some pepper, some kosher salt, let me flip it. Season the other side. Just a little bit like that, and a little bit here, and we are ready to start cooking. Our grill is hot and ready. Look, check it out. Look at this beautiful steak. Let's go ahead and hit it with a little bit of butter. I've got my butter melted here. We're going to go ahead and baste it with a little bit of butter there. Gonna place it right on the grill. Look at that. Oh, doesn't that look divine? Yes, some more butter. And I told you I have my chimichurri, so I'm gonna take a little bit of this chimichurri and let me put a little bit right here on top. Oh, this is going to be absolutely delicious. And I'm gonna let that cook for a little while, and then we're gonna cook our eggs in a minute, but first we gotta let the steak cook up really well. All right, here we go. Let's flip our steak. Look at that. Isn't that a thing of beauty? I'm going to put a little more butter on that. What do you think? Let's baste it. Let's baste it. Yes, Andrew agrees. Let's baste it with a little bit more butter. Let's hit it with some more of our chimichurri. Spread it around. And now we're going to go ahead and get started with cooking some eggs. So with the eggs, I'm going to take some of this melted butter right into our little frying pan right here. Oh, yeah. And let me get a little closer here. We're going to break 2 eggs, place it right there into our butter. Here's one, and here's the other. Break it on a flat surface so you get an even break. A little bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to poach these eggs in butter. Okay. Back on the fire it goes. All right, our eggs are just about done, so look at this. Let's put a little bit of chopped green onions right on top. Oh, doesn't that look ever so good? Yes. Let's check the temperature of our steak, because we want a nice medium rare steak. So I'm putting my thermometer. I'm looking at 135. folks. It's showtime. Place our steak right on the plate. Look at that. Look at that steak. Doesn't that look wonderful? Yes, it does. And now I'm going to top it with poached eggs in butter. Whoa. Let's get a good handle on it because it is hot. Right here on top. Look at that.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Isn't that a work of art? What do you think, Andrew?
I think it's amazing.
But you got to taste it because that's where the proof is. But there is our version of a wonderful steak and eggs. Check this out. Check this out. Look, beautifully cooked ribeye steak, poached eggs in butter, topped with scallions, a little salt and pepper. Oh my goodness, we're going to just cut into this. This is going to be absolutely delicious. And here we go. Nice little slice here. Look at this pink. I got to turn this around for you to see that. Look at that beautiful pink. Isn't that what you're looking for in a steak? A nice, medium rare, juicy. And what about some eggs right on top? No, I'm gonna turn. You have to see the yolk running. Look. If you like eggs, if you like steak, you're gonna love this. Perfect for brunch, perfect for breakfast, perfect any time of the day, really. But I'm gonna have to give it a good taste, just so you'll know how really wonderful it is.
That must be some good steak and eggs.
I know you're gonna want some.
Oh yeah.
And I know you're gonna want some. Recipes right down below. Check that out. Put some comments down there. Let me know what you think about steak and eggs. Maybe you have a favorite dish. Trust me, poaching eggs in butter, nothing better for taste. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Let us know what you think. Definitely go into Patreon. Sign up because your help is going to enable us to put more videos like this. We've done over 13, maybe 15 videos on steaks. You're going to want to see every one of them. But when you're on Patreon, you're going to see them before anyone else does. Okay? And you're going to see them without ads. You're going to exclusive content, as well as we're going to show you some behind the scenes things that go on when we create these wonderful videos for you. So love to hear from you, and we want to thank you so much. And I'll tell you, these are egg-delicious, but simple and egg delicious.